Hi, I'm Mike Nelson
And I'm Monica Nelson.
of Long and Foster Real Estate Incorporated, your Maryland and Pennsylvania realtors.
Let's take a look at this week's featured listing.
Welcome to 7419 North Point Road. This stone front 4-bedroom colonial is almost brand new. Only built 5 years ago, this home has ample parking, a large private backyard, and a large deck. The kitchen has granite counters, a custom tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and has a nice flow into a family room that is showered with plenty of natural light. A formal dining room with crown molding and chair rail opens to a living room at the front of the house. There is a beautiful half bath also located on this first level. Upstairs, there are 4 bedrooms, including a master suite with vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, and a master bathroom with custom tile floors. 3 more bedrooms and a full bathroom with custom tile floors, and a hall laundry closet finish off this floor. The unfinished basement has high ceilings and a bathroom rough-in, all ready for your ideas. French doors open to an extra wide staircase to the backyard. This house is conveniently located and ready for your tour.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our contact information is below. We look forward to talking to you.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.